Well, it's flooded. See right back in there, we got water from Deer Creek coming up over. This is all our planted fields. The neighbor just called asking if they should stick around or get out, because some of this is right beyond that, and it's higher than it was in '97 when the levee broke. About a mile upstream, but might need to get the boat to get them out. Their driveway's completely flooded, and it's getting higher. She called, told the kids they got 5 minutes to get their clothes and crap. They're gonna try to get out. Oh, here they go. The truck should make it. Yeah, they should all make it. A couple trucks and a Bronco. It's not moving. They shouldn't get swept away. This is the Revy something Estates. Maybe book a wedding venue, something like that. Check them out. Awesome place. Maybe don't book December. Well, they made it. Well, I'm gonna get our boat out and go tool around, go visit all the neighbors. We'll be back. Up here at the pond, she about to topple over. There's the boat. About to lose all our damn fish. Oh, did we get the boat? Yeah, right, we did. Let's get her out. Grab her with the truck. Is it the safest thing in the world? No. Is it gonna work? Probably not. Only got to go over there. This is 100% happening. I am fucking soaked. The house. It's up there because I fully expect the water to be up there when I get back. That might have to stay overnight. All right. Got 3 batteries. I'm just gonna tool along up here. I'm not gonna head too far back there because if that creek, it already is. We might get a little close, but I don't want to get too close. If the levee blows, it's gonna go up 10 feet real quick. We're making it. Wait, oh shit! Let's get away from the fence. We're cruising. Damn it, I should have just brought the GoPro and set it on the bow. But this is us for now. Might pick that up tomorrow after we see what the situation is. If it gets bad, we'll have to take the jet boat back. That'll be something. Come back, gotta somehow get across this. So cool neighbor, so probably just cut the fence, float through. We'll be back. We made it. Cruise through the neighbor's lakefront property. Fish are escaping from me and my neighbor's ponds, I'm sure, so should have brought my damn fishing pole. Got a little trim up here in a second. I gotta make my way back into the actual creek. I might, no, the road's higher there. Gotta put this down for a second. Float across, probably right there. And then back into the creek channel from the field. My neighbor's, another neighbor from way downstream. That's doing the work for the neighbor. Good dude. He's got a lose his truck. this field. Real nice job. Head back up towards Matt's. I'm heading back. Boat's starting to take on a little bit of rainwater. It's not bad here, but that's coming. I'll be here in a minute. Probably faster than I could get right back over there. So we got about 4 feet of water over our trout. Head back towards the creek real quick and see how bad it is. It looks like it might be toppling over. So we'll get a view of the back. Hopefully, if the levee's gonna break, hopefully it does it by the time I get back here, because a little dinghy ain't gonna do it. You're gonna need a bigger boat to make it out of that. So, the neighbor's almond trees. Alright, I'm not gonna get any, I can't get any closer. The current and the wind's not letting me. That's where it's coming over. It's 4B. That shit's still drying up. Yeah, I'm up in the boat. Alright, we found little buddy in need of rescue. Look at him. Look at him. Come here, little buddy. Hold on, it's swinging around here. You're not going to be happy. Maybe we'll let him catch us. Let us catch him. Come on, little buddy. Oh, alligator, lizard. These guys are usually not too friendly. Oh, shit. I need 2 hands for this. Come back up on this side, little buddy. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Get in here. Come on. Come on, play it. No, where are you going? You can't swim. You're not a real alligator. Come on, little buddy. There you go. There you go. Now just chill out for a minute. Just chill out. Alright, we're gonna get the little flare to dry land here. Well, we got another one. He hung up on the wire. He'll probably be alright. We'll see if we can help. Get down here. Right there. I got a feeling he's gonna be an asshole. Let's see here. Swing on in. What's up, partner? You gotta go, bud. Come on in. Come on in. You got a little buddy in here too. Come on in. There you go. Don't get in the water. Don't worry, we're gonna get you dry ground. You and your buddy, wherever he's at.